therefore, finally I have reached where I was destined to be. Well, it is called Attahash. So let's see how it's gonna be, right? And you know what? Never to be alone, right? A friend in need is a friend indeed. So therefore, I am with this little orange guy. Okay. So let's getting started with something we call exploring. We'll be coming through this entrance. We will first of all encounter with this Shivji ka murti. He's sitting on a posture. Exactly. You know what I was telling about you people guys while I was riding the bike. That see, this is the dead body of Lord. What will I tell you? This is the dead body of goddess Sati, and Shiv. Look at his eyes. He's so angry. He's going to dance, and this posture is called actually the Natraj. Actually, he was dancing so high and so powerful that the whole creation was at disturbance. Nobody could control his anger. So what Vishnu did? Vishnu, with the help of his Sudarshan Chakra, cut the piece while he was dancing. He cut the piece of, what will I tell you, the goddess Shati into 51 pieces, and her lips fell over in this place. From that onwards, it has just come to be known as Attahash. So let's see how the entrance. You know what? This image or this statue signifies everything. I would tell you guys. Really, you know, when you could relate to something which you are telling the peoples. Really, it feels good from within, I tell you guys. Lots and lots of things to get explored over here. First, तो ये हरियाली देखो तुम, मज़ा आ जाएगा. Look at the beauty, look at the authenticity of the place. It is so great and so humble and so huge and so good that you would really. Therefore, if you consider this place to be, if you compare this Satipith with other temples, then you will find that the place is quite underdeveloped. But then too, the government is trying the level best to bring the attractive spot over here. Well, I am shooting the video before, 7 days before the main function which holds up over here, that is Holi. Therefore, lots and lots of construction work is going on. You can see that. Well, I have also spoke with the Maharaja of here. He has said that he is too busy to talk in an interview. Therefore, I'm really sorry for his people that I cannot make an interview with him. But anyways, just look at the scenic beauty which you will get over here. Well, obviously, I would tell you something that if your people ever get the chance to visit India, then I would surely tell you to visit this place. Or if you are an Indian, then I would strongly recommend you to visit this place, because literally I would tell you, away from the crowds, away from the crowds and away from the people's toxic things and other things, you will find yourself in the leap of the nature, totally filled with greenery and other things. There is nothing, absolute solitude. ये रुको एकदम शांत चुप. एक जन गाना गा रहा है.
विष्णु प्रतिकाम सुविधि संकल्प संपूर्ण कामना कल्याण कामना अर्थ संकल्प तस्मिन् पूजन कर्माहम्.
कोई एक बार धोड़ो देखी আমাকে যেন নিয়ে পড়া না
সুজি যেটা তুললেন ওই গানটা.
Well, so where we have headed now is the Panchamandi Ashan. Well, even this has got a very good significance. And first of all, anything which does go beyond, जो चीज़ सबके ऊपर को जा रही है वो है इस जगह का ambience. You know, I think that I have not come under the perfect time so that I cannot show you how actually the place is. Otherwise, you could not hear me while I will be speaking. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे साइबेरिया से माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स आते हैं विंटर के टाइम पे. They do migrate for the cold weather. So, you know, even I'm speaking in front of my camera, even you could not have heard of it. As every time you will be finding a strong hush 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 करके वाला noise. Okay, चलो एक बार सा क्विक दिखा देते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग अभी आ रहे हैं मेरे पीछे, वो लोग भी देखेंगे. Well, so this is the Panchamandi Asan. Well, the significance of this is that this has got 5 skull of creatures, which includes a human being, a cow, a goat, a dog, and another one I'm just forgetting. Well, I'm just forgetting, right? Well, I don't know actually. I just named 4 and one I don't know. Something else to show you, which reads in Bengali, Bhola Babar Samadhi Sthan. Yeah, exactly. Bhola Baba Samadhi Sthan. Now, who is this Bhola Baba? I don't know anything. So, yeah, I will be opening the shoes. I know. Got it. He is a bit panicked. You should be opening the shoes over here. Do that, do this. Well, so this is the Samadhi of Bhola Baba. And this might be actually his hut, where he stayed, where he did his tapasya and other things. Ah, you could hear the bell. Exactly. Yeah. कभी कभार इसको हमें बोलना पड़ता है कि भाई तू भी है, तुझे भी दिखाना होगा कैमरा पे. वो बोल रहे कि नहीं भाई क्या बोलेंगे ये सब लोग. ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ কিছু ম্যাটার করে না. তুমি নিজের ভেতর থেকে যেটা ফিল করছো সেইটাই আসল. বাংলায় বলো 100 বার. হ্যাঁ, অত বেশি ভাবতে গেলে হবে না. কে কি বলছে তোমার জন্য ওটা নিয়ে তুমি যদি বেশি বদ্ধপরিকর যদি হয়ে পড়ো তাহলে তুমি তো বাড়তেই পারবে না, তাই না? ইউ ক্যান নট গ্রো. You have to let go what other people are telling about you.
It's not for me to say you